Don't miss this 2011 Nissan Cube. It's equipped with variable transmission and features a steel grey exterior. With 3 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.